Hi, I'm Tony, and this is Lab Time with Anton Parr. Pigments create the beautiful colours that surround us. They're some of the most expensive components in paint formulations, which are carefully engineered for specific applications. The density of paint is extremely important for manufacturing control to ensure desirable application behaviour and consistent finish quality. It can affect the pore behaviour of the paint and the paint film when it dries. Anton Parr's UltraPic 5000 measures the density of water-based paint, oil-based paint, or paint primer with ease. No struggle with sticky, hard-to-load samples. Just scoop the sample out from the jar or squeeze it out of the tube. Transferring or loading it with the wide measuring cups is straightforward. After weighing, simply insert the sample-filled cell into the chamber before starting a measurement. Whether the paint tends to settle, phase separate, or form syneresis, the instrument measures the volume of the whole sample to determine the density. Using the gas displacement method, UltraPic 5000 ascertains the amount of gas required to fill a chamber with and without a sample. The TrueLock lid ensures consistent sample chamber volume every time you close it. Otherwise, any variability here will appear to be coming from your samples. Does the density of paint depend on temperature? Absolutely. The built-in Peltier temperature control offers temperature stability better than ± 0.05 degrees centigrade with a temperature range from 15 to 50 degrees centigrade, the widest on the market. After loading the sample, simply select the conditions for the density measurement and press Measure. The large touchscreen has an intuitive interface. Viewing results is easy. Choose the UltraPic 5000 Density Analyzer. Achieve batch-to-batch consistency and fulfill all regulatory packaging requirements.